All right, have you ever wondered what was inside the tunnel of a Volkswagen Beetle? Because it's all enclosed. All you can do is see down through a couple holes in it, but you never really get to see the whole thing.
No.
And we know there's a lot of tubes in here.
Yeah, especially on a later car.
Yeah,
the later it gets, the crazier it gets.
Because even double the heater tubes and heater cables go into it.
Exactly.
And then the handbrake cables, the throttle cable, clutch cable. Well, in this project, we're actually sectioning out the tunnel on this Beetle. This is our gasser Beetle. And, oh sure, now it won't come out. Damn thing fell out before.
It fell out and fell right back in.
Well, that is a good picture of what's in here.
You're watching Fun with the Dubs at Seward Speed Shop.
What are these? The top ones. That's got to be.
The top ones are e-brake.
Okay, that's the handbrake.
So those are, those are emergency brake there. That's 2 heat control.
No, you see this one here.
Oh, they crisscross.
Because one lever is for front and back, right, on the heat?
Yeah.
I've never had a Beetle with an operating heater before, so.
Yeah, so this would be.
This is the front and the back seat, opening up the back seat.
Opening up the back seat.
So,
this is turning the heat on.
Yeah, so now you look at it, and one of this, the top tube goes to that side, comes out here.
Yep. And the bottom one comes to this side.
Right to there.
And so this is the actual heat controls, which are going to control. So the right-hand side controls your heater boxes.
On and off.
On and off.
Okay.
Yeah. And then below that.
Well, I tell you what, we have to cut this stuff off anyway, so what do you say we slice these tubes off? So yeah, underneath here, you can see they're just tacked in this little bracketry right here. Kind of cool, huh?
Pretty awesome, actually. So simple.
So obviously, when they manufacture this, the bottom is not on. The bottom plate of the tunnel is not on. So
correct.
They probably make the tunnel upside down on a jig, and then put all the tubes, and then put the bottom on.
Bottom on.
Yeah, now you can see where all the.
That's where all the walnuts are.
All the walnuts.
If you're interested.
I don't even have a walnut tree at home, so those have been in there for a while.
No kidding.
But the bottom looks pretty good.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's not bad at all.
But anyways, and then this one here, this tube.
This is the accelerator.
Yep, that goes all the way up.
Accelerator cable. Clutch cable is the monster.
Uh-huh.
And then fuel line.
And that fuel line is not looking all that great.
No, not at all.
Now,
it's not.
steel?
I mean, it's not terrible, but yeah, they're steel. And actually, our clutch cable or our clutch tube is broken in the center. Yep.
Oh, is it supposed to be attached there?
There's a tab right here.
Oh yeah, there is.
And it's broken there, so it's only holding from the back. Usually they break in the front. That's where you cut the access panel, you know.
Oh yeah, right here.
Yeah.
You always see everybody has a hole here.
Yeah, to go in and weld that back together. But yeah, this center one broke here.
Yeah, and then here's a bracket to hold your throttle cable on right here. Then there's the little tabs to hold the clutch tube and the
It's pretty intricate,
together.
Man.
It is. Yeah, so that is what it looks like inside of your tunnel. And here's the provisions for your seat belts. There's a big, boy, that's a plate and a nut. They don't want that coming up,
no,
do they? Yeah, there's a big plate and a square nut attached to that, and everything's spot welded in.
Awfully serious.
Yeah. And then here, this is where the shifter goes, and this is where that damn bushing goes.
This is the perfect time to replace the bushing.
Yes. All right, I just so happen to have a new shifter bushing. This is the Washburns. What do you call that material?
Delrin?
Delrin, yeah. So you see how easy it is to go in with this cut off. So yeah, always cut the top of your tunnel off.
Cut the top of the tunnel off.
Yeah, to put this in.
To put the shift bushing in.
Yes.
Yeah. This is the proper way to do it.
Uh-huh. Now I don't want to push this in all the way until we're done here.
Yeah.
Because once it's in, it's in. But yeah, so you see, if you're going to replace that bushing, the only way you can do it is from here. and push it in, somehow get it down in there and then push it all the way in. And this snaps in as you go. So yeah, it's always easier to just cut the top of your tunnel off.
Yeah, how much easier that was.
All right, well, there you go. Now you know what's inside the tunnel.
And now we know.
Volkswagen Beetle. Yeah, now we know too. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button, and we hope you consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.